Swipe down or pull down, notification bar not opening. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, go to the settings. Now scroll down, click on home screen. Now scroll down, and from here you can see swipe down for notification panel. Just enable this option. Now go back, scroll down and find apps option. Just click on this option. Now click on search bar and search for settings. Just click on settings, scroll down, click on storage. Now click on clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back to home screen, restart your phone. After all this process, now check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.